Here's some Rig Veda trivia. Subscribe. What is the oldest sacred text in Hinduism? Is it A. Puranas, B. Upanishads, C. Mahabharata, or D. Rig Veda? The correct answer is D. Rig Veda. What language is the Rig Veda composed in? Is it A. Tamil, B. Pali, C. Hindi, or D. Sanskrit? The correct answer is D. Sanskrit. How many mandalas are in the Rig Veda? Is it A. 10, B. 12, C. 8, or D. 15? The correct answer is A. 10. Which deity is primarily invoked in the Rig Veda? Is it A. Kali, B. Ganga, C. Shiva, or D. Agni? The correct answer is D. Agni. Who is often regarded as the author of the Rig Veda? Is it A. Patanjali, B. Valmiki, C. Kapila, or D. Vyasa? The correct answer is Vyasa. Which prominent ancient civilization is associated with the Rig Veda? Is it A. Mesopotamia, B. Minoan civilization, C. Ancient Egypt, or D. Indus Valley? The correct answer is D. Indus Valley. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.